Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to Tuesday, August 24th. Today for Avid, just as a reminder, we're still going through the expectations of Avid scholars at Mendes. Today I had you guys do a quick write. We'll go through it in a second. I had you guys write 5 facts about me. I wanted to learn a little bit more about you. Last week we got to learn a little bit more about each other as a class. Today I want to learn a little bit more about you. So we're going to go through that activity, and then our exit ticket, we did some Slant review. Just as a reminder, we have binder check on Wednesday. Okay. So, for our do now today, I had you guys go ahead and respond to the quick write that was on our screen. Our quick write for today is, you never get a second chance for a first impression. And we talked a little bit about in class what that means, especially for Avid, especially for you guys and what you do. Alright, so that's just a little bit of our quick write. The 5 facts all about me. This was a physical sheet I gave you in class. You guys are going to be uploading it to Google Classroom. It's how I'm going to get your grades for the semester. So just be aware that that is pending for you as well. Ms. Ornelas has it, and then you guys will upload it. So that way we have a digital copy and a paper copy as well. We went through a little bit of Avid Slant. I showed you guys our PowerPoint. Remember, Slant stands for sit in the front, lean forward, ask questions, nod your head, and oh my goodness, the T, I believe, is tell a teacher. So we have the Avid Slant, okay? And then our exit ticket was just to review Slant. Pretty short day, you guys. I think it wasn't modified, but it was just a short day. We spent a lot of time on those 5 facts. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be it for today. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll see you guys in class.